The idea of free energy is captivating. Imagine a world free from energy bills, powered by a source that never runs dry. This is the seductive promise of free energy, a limitless wellspring fueling our civilization without cost or consequence. But is this dream a glimpse into a possible future, or merely a fantastical illusion? For centuries, the quest for free energy has captivated inventors and dreamers alike. The allure of tapping into an unlimited source of power, forever freeing ourselves from the constraints of finite resources, is a powerful motivator. But as we venture further into this captivating domain, we must ground ourselves in the fundamental laws governing our universe. At the heart of the free energy debate lies a fundamental principle of physics, the law of conservation of energy. This principle is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical reality that governs every aspect of our daily lives. This bedrock law, steadfastly proven through countless experiments, dictates that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. Whether it's the energy from the sun being converted into electricity by solar panels, or the chemical energy in our food being transformed into kinetic energy as we move, this law is always at play. This principle forms the very foundation of our understanding of how the universe operates. It is a universal truth that applies to everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies.
Just as gravity keeps our feet planted on the ground, ensuring we don't float away into space, the laws of thermodynamics govern the flow of energy within our universe. These laws are crucial for understanding everything from the weather patterns on Earth to the life cycles of stars. The first law, as we've discussed, asserts that energy cannot be conjured from nothing. It must come from somewhere and go somewhere, maintaining a balance. The second law introduces the concept of entropy, stating that in any energy conversion, some energy will inevitably be lost as unusable heat, increasing the disorder of the system. This explains why perpetual motion machines are impossible, and why we must always consider efficiency in energy use.
History is replete with ingenious yet ultimately flawed attempts to defy these fundamental laws. From ancient civilizations to the Renaissance, the quest for perpetual motion has been a captivating journey. From the elaborate wheels of medieval times to the intricate designs of the modern era, perpetual motion machines, devices envisioned to operate indefinitely without an external energy source, have captured the imaginations of inventors for centuries. These inventors, driven by curiosity and ambition, poured their hearts and minds into creating machines that could defy the natural order.
These machines, often beautifully complex, sought to achieve continuous motion without any energy input, promising a tantalizing glimpse into a world where energy scarcity is a relic of the past. The allure of such a breakthrough was irresistible, offering hope for an endless supply of energy. However, the unyielding laws of physics have consistently proven to be insurmountable obstacles. The principles of thermodynamics, particularly the conservation of energy, stand as a testament to the limits of human ingenuity. Each invention, no matter how ingenious, ultimately succumbed to the same fate, a grinding halt as friction and energy loss took their inevitable toll. Despite the setbacks, the dream of perpetual motion continues to inspire, reminding us of the boundless creativity and determination of the human spirit.
Section 4. Modern mirages of free energy. The allure of free energy persists today, often disguised in the cloak of cutting-edge scientific terminology.
From zero-point energy to magnetic motors, claims of tapping into limitless reservoirs of energy continue to surface.
While these concepts may spark our curiosity and ignite our imaginations, it's crucial to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism.
Extraordinary claims, as Carl Sagan famously cautioned us, require extraordinary evidence.
While the pursuit of novel energy solutions is a noble endeavor, we must remain vigilant against falling prey to wishful thinking, or worse, outright deception.
The promise of free energy, while enticing, must be rigorously scrutinized through the lens of established scientific principles. Section 5. The universe doesn't offer shortcuts. So is free energy real? This question has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike for generations.
Based on our current understanding of the universe and its unwavering laws, the answer is a resounding no. The laws of thermodynamics, for instance, are clear and unyielding.
Free energy, as it is often portrayed, a limitless source of power defying the fundamental principles of physics, remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. It captivates our imagination but eludes our grasp.
However, this doesn't imply that our quest for sustainable and abundant energy is futile. On the contrary, it drives innovation and progress.
The universe, in its immensity, holds vast reserves of energy waiting to be harnessed responsibly. From the sun's rays to the wind's power, opportunities abound.
By embracing the true spirit of scientific inquiry, grounded in rigorous testing and peer review, we can push the boundaries of what is possible. With a healthy respect for the laws of physics, we can unlock innovative solutions for a brighter, more sustainable future. The journey is challenging, but the rewards are immense.